style tweaking. Yeah. Everything she got on her own. Never needed nobody else. Now she all alone. Got her own car, crib, job. Yeah, she real grown. If you need some company, then just hit my phone.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be another entrepreneur life video. So this will be my third one, I believe. And this one will just be on how I go about creating my labels for my lip glosses, my lip kit, and things of that sort. I figured out how to do this by watching YouTube. Like, I literally watch YouTube to do everything. I research everything on how to do stuff on my own, because I'm the type of person where I like doing things on my own first, and then just to be more cost efficient, like just spend the less cost as possible. So I was like, let me do it myself and see if I can do it, and if not, then I'll just resort to something else. So I was watching one of these, a YouTube video, and I wish I could think of her name. But she said that she gets these labels. So I was trying to get them like as quick as possible. So instead of me going to the actual website that these labels are from, I went to Amazon. So the labels are the Avery printed edge square labels. It's a glossy clear, and it's a 2x2, and it comes with 12 label sheets, and on each sheet it has it comes with 10 sheets, and it has 10 labels on each sheet. So it has 120 labels in total. And I got this from Amazon, and it was only $14.19. I'm gonna put it right here. It was $14.19, and it literally says right now that if I was to order right now, I can get it between June 6th and June 9th. So what you do is, and I'm gonna split the screen and I'm gonna go on my phone and show you guys, and I'm gonna split the screen and show you guys what I'm doing on my phone, so that way you guys can see. But yeah, so this is the labels that I get, and I'm gonna take one out so you can see. And they're glossy again, because my lip gloss, like, I had the matte ones. I tried matte ones, and because I wasn't trying to be patient. So I seen some in Staples that it was a little bit bigger than, it was like, I think it was a 2x3, and they were matte, and I didn't like the way it looked on my lip glosses. So I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and order these off Amazon and just wait for them to get here, and I would just go deal with these matte ones until my actual label get here. So if you can see, it's 1 square, 2 square, 3 squares. So it has 4 rows of 3. So it goes like that, and that. And you put it, so I do this from home. So I have a printer, I have a Canon printer. Is my box in here? I have a Canon laser inkjet printer, because that's what this goes to, a laser inkjet printer. And my printer is actually in the living room, so I can't even tell you which one I actually have. I'll put it up there. I got it from Walmart. It was like $60, $50. But yeah, and it already came with ink and all that. So you literally sit it inside your printer facing down, because then when it comes out, it'll come out like this. You know what I'm saying? So, okay. So now that you have your labels and you have your logo, you should already have your logo. If you're trying to do this, you should already have your logo. So you're gonna take this, and you see this number right here. This is very important. So you are going to go, let me make sure I screen record this so I can put it up there. Okay. You're going to go to avery.com, and then you are going to pick custom, oh, that's the row. You're going to pick custom printing. I'm sorry. You're going to pick, I always forget this every time I try to do it. I done filmed this video like twice. I'm doing it a different way this time though. You're going to you're gonna go to templates, and you're gonna find a template, and then you're gonna enter this number right here. So it's 22853. So I'm gonna enter 22853, and it's gonna pop up the exact labels. And close. I'm gonna close this because it's all in the way. And it's gonna print out the exact labels. So I'm gonna open this up a little bit, And so it's gonna say start designing. So you're gonna start design, and then I'm not gonna try to do it. Do I log into my account? Dang. Hold on, y'all. I gotta log into my damn account. I'm gonna make sure to edit this out because I don't want y'all seeing my account trying to get into my account. Okay, so once you create your account or whatever, and the only reason you create your account is so that way you can save your stuff, because I have literally all of my stuff saved already. But I'm gonna go through this with you guys, and show you actually. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna just go through it and show y'all from scratch, and then I'll show y'all how it'll actually look. So you're gonna click the blank design. You're gonna select it, and then it's gonna come up in the area, and then you're gonna click it. And you're gonna put add objects. You're gonna add an image, and you're gonna go to camera roll, because you can go to camera roll, Avery Gallery, my account. My account is the account that I have on Avery, which is where all my labels and stuff are saved already exactly how I want it. All I do is go back on there and print it off. So I'm gonna go to my photo library, and I'm going to go to my logos. And because this is clear, and I want it to be able to pop up on my, show on my stuff, I'm going to use the one with the blue ink. And then you just make it however big you want it. And don't worry about the lines too much because it will still print. So you can decide to have it this way. You can flip it. If it let me flip. Oh, it's having me flip it myself. So you can flip it. And usually what I do for my lip glosses, I'm sorry y'all, my eyes is fan. So usually what I do for my lip glosses, I usually flip it. And then I move it up some, so I'll move it up like right there. And then I'll add a text block, and then I move the text block down here, and I'll put like the name of my lip gloss. So I'll put Hustler, and I'll put it in parentheses. Hustler. And then apply the text, and then I'll just move it to where I see fit. And I'll make it however big I want it, and just make sure. And you always want to put it up a little bit, because if you don't, you'll put it up a little. Okay, so you put whatever you put at the bottom of it a little bit up further from that first line, only because I don't know why. I don't know if it's just my printer or what, but with my printer, that the first row, because you know how I have 4 rows of 3 labels on the actual sheet. So that first row of labels, whatever you have on the wording at the bottom will be like cut off. So I learned to just move it up some. So you would do it like this, and then you're done. Now you can change the logo, you can do it. So when you're done with that and you got it exactly how you want it, you're gonna press project, and then they can print it for you. It just depends on if you want to wait for them to ship it to you. And I believe that when they ship it to you, it's more vibrant. Like your colors, if you have a color logo, it'll be more vibrant. But I'm trying to do this now. I'm at home, like I'm doing this. Like I ship out orders every day. Monday through Saturday. So I need this now. I don't have time to wait, okay? So I don't do it. I print it off myself, and you'll just put print PDF. And then actually, this is where your account comes in. So they actually, if you want to save your design, you can say yes, and you pick whatever name. So I'll pick Hustler label, and then it'll save it, and then it'll pop up for you to print it, and then you just print it from your printer. That's literally it. So I'm going to show you guys how it will look once you print it off from your printer. Okay, so and when you're finished and when you print off your labels, this is how they should look. And I'm missing one because I literally just put a label on one of my lip oils. But yeah, that's how they will look. And yeah, so this is literally how they come out, and you just peel them off and you put them on your on whatever tubes you have, And that's literally it. And you do this from home. One thing I can say is this really doesn't get that bad, but whenever I do my thank you cards, y'all, I just spent so much money on ink. Well, not really. I think I have to replace my color ink like maybe 2 times, and I just bought my printer back in April, and I had to replace my color ink 2 times since then, just because of how my thank you cards are. And I'll do a separate video on my thank you cards. I'm just trying to do videos separately so I can have more content for you guys. So I don't want to give y'all everything in one video. So yeah, so that's literally it. And you do it like that, and you literally get your labels in minutes. Like, it's too easy. As long as you got a logo, like, it's really, really simple, and it's free. So like, all you gotta pay for is your labels. So why not, like like, it's so simple. So yeah, so let me know how you guys like this video. I hope this video was very informative. I hope that, you know, this helped you out. I hope, because I know it's been a lot of people that's been asking me, and I was like, girl, it's too easy. Let me help you out. Okay, let me help you out. So yeah, that's literally all I do, and it's literally so easy. I do that for everything. So yeah, I'll be doing a video on how I print off my thank you cards and things like that for my business in another video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, till next time. Bye.
And you want mine too, so stop tweaking. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Everything she got on her own. Never needed no